Every day, people walk into situations they don't have the language for. Relationships that make them question their own memory. Workplaces that reward the wrong people and punish the right ones. Friendships that leave them emptier than being alone. And they survive it. But they don't understand it. Not yet.
This is Mira. Late 20s, empathetic, fiercely loyal to the people she loves, and navigating every psychological challenge that comes with being a person who feels deeply in a world that doesn't always deserve it. This is Milo. Ambitious, analytical, the kind of person who works twice as hard as anyone in the room and still wonders if he belongs there. His world is offices, politics, and the quiet battles that never make it onto anyone's performance review. Two people, two worlds, one truth.
The psychology behind what's happening to them is the same psychology happening to you. This season, Milo and Mira's world just got more real. Every character in their stories now has a face, full expressions, the manipulator's smile, the friend's hidden resentment, the colleague's plausible innocence. Because manipulation doesn't come from blank faces. It comes from the ones that look perfectly normal. And at the end of every episode, Professor Brainwell meets you here to help you bridge what Milo and Mira experienced to what you might be living.
Where are you in this story right now? Are you still in the fog? Or are you ready to see it clearly?
Every episode now comes with a free psychology playbook. 2 pages, every concept explained, frameworks you can use immediately, reflection questions that go deeper than the video can. Because understanding something in a story is the beginning. Applying it to your life is the point. Free. Every episode. Link always in the description. And for when you have 60 seconds and a psychology question that won't wait, Professor Brainwell's Psychology in 60 Seconds breaks down one concept completely, every single week. Short, sharp, immediately useful.
New episodes every Monday and Friday at 10 a.m. EST. New Psychology in 60 Seconds shorts midweek every week. This is Milo and Mira Psychology Studio. We don't lecture. We don't simplify. We don't talk down to you. We show you the psychology through stories that feel like your own life. Because they are. Understand the story. Learn the psychology. Apply it to your life. Subscribe. The next episode is already waiting for you.